The Gila monster is a species of venomous lizard native to the southwestern United States and the northwestern Mexican state of Sonora. It is a heavy, slow-moving reptile, up to 56 centimeters long, and it is the only venomous lizard native to the United States. Easily recognizable from its spotted orange and black skin, its bright armor offers a colorful warning to would-be predators. In humans, the lizard's venomous bite, though rarely fatal, causes extreme pain, a burning sensation and discomfort that can last for hours.